Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of understanding your warranty for the MSI MS15M1 laptop. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and compressed air for internal cleaning. Start by checking your warranty status. Locate the serial number on the bottom of your laptop and visit the MSI warranty verification page. Enter your details to confirm your warranty eligibility. It's crucial to know your warranty status before proceeding with any repairs. Next, if you suspect internal issues, you may want to open the laptop. Carefully remove the screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws organized to avoid confusion later. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which means you can get expert help without any commitment on your part. Once the screws are out, use your plastic spudger to gently pry open the laptop casing. Be cautious around the edges to prevent any damage. After opening the laptop, look for dust buildup around the fans and components. Use the compressed air to clean these areas thoroughly. This is essential for maintaining optimal performance and can often resolve overheating issues. If you notice any damaged components, make a note of what needs replacing. For your convenience, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. This service eliminates the hassle of no calls, no travel, allowing you to focus on your day. After cleaning and inspecting, if you need to replace any parts, check MSI's official store or authorized service providers. If you're unsure about the repair process, feel free to reach out for a quote before repair. This way, you'll know the costs involved up front, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Once you have addressed the issues, reassemble your laptop by aligning the casing and securing the screws. Ensure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any future problems. Before powering on, double-check that no tools are left inside the laptop. Finally, power on your MSI MS15M1 and monitor its performance. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to use our professional services for further assistance. With our comprehensive support, your laptop will be back to its optimal performance in no time. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.